Hello Super Crafties, welcome to another tutorial. I am so excited to finally be bringing you guys this Sentro knitting machine tutorial. I've been sitting on this for quite some time just so I could, really knock out the kinks of the project and perfect it for you guys. So I'm excited about it, and I am so happy that you guys have decided to join me here under this program. Not only does it help me to bring you guys more of these video tutorials and written patterns, but it also helps me to continue to run Infiniti Crafting Co. over on YouTube and Rumble and all the other video social media places that I run it. So again, as the title states, I will be showing you guys how to do a crochet afterthought heel on socks made on the Sentro knitting machine. Now, I want to preface this video by saying I kind of accidentally deleted my first intro off my camera while I was transferring files. It happens, so you'll have to excuse the attire and the fact that I already have both socks completed here. But this is what they ended up looking like, and as you can see with the heel, the texture is similar to the knitted fabric, so it's more seamless and it's not as bulky as the original patterning was. I don't even have those original socks anymore to show you guys the difference, unfortunately. But nonetheless, you want to know how to do this. I am here to show it to you, so I'm going to get into the tutorial. First, we're going to go through I'm buffering. First, we're going to go through a material list, there we go, and then we're going to dive into the instructions. And again, throughout the video you can refer back to the Maker Notes blog that is only open to you guys, and refer to my written notes there. I will preface this also by saying that you will want to make sure that whoever you're making these socks for, you're going to want to make sure that you have the measurement of their foot, or have a list of general measurements for socks and shoe sizes in general. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive in. Super excited. Yay! Infiniti here. Hey Crafterpreneur is my members only pattern club. Under this club, I publish at least 2 of my crochet knitting or Sentro knitting machine projects every month for community members to enjoy. It offers a whole host of members' perks, including the ones here on screen, not to mention that the blog posts themselves do not have ads in them, so you guys have a more seamless experience, and you also get my one-on-one support. In return, you guys are also supporting the content that you see here on YouTube and beyond, and it would make my day if you considered becoming a community member today. All you have to do is head over via the link in my description box, watch the info video at the top of the page, and then scroll down and choose your subscription tier, either the $5.99 a month or the $19.99 quarterly. I hope you'll join me, and until then, happy making!